Kubli pi barrage ketup Khubor jingi ke Don Bosco Media Network kimat bokong san mentah kasngi Shillong. Beliau Chief Minister ringkat buat unang rakyat di Japan India Satoshi Suzuki ya kata masa cherry blossom Shillong. Pendapat bau Dr. Mukul sama haringkat ki khatway ngot banyaso tinamul Kongres. Benut jor ubak piti saukme bami hadu khatar ngot ki MLA ke Kongres. But pelat Vice Chancellor ke Nehu ya ke British Library Endangered Archives Program. But mentangin pai segi Khubor wakamnya. Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya Konrad kisang ma ringkat berundang rakyat ke Japan India Satoshi Suzuki. Mentah kasngi kila play kata masa Cherry Blossom Festival Arjar Arpway Hawards Lake Shillong. Ya Satoshi Suzuki lawan dia senran da ke kurim jong u ringkat pat ke kunhun kinong Japan. Habakran ha kata kata masa Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ulupan pau ya ke jingkman balala ban penong biang ya ke Cherry Blossom Festival mentau senam. Ulo angru baka ni kata masa kan plilat lot ya baro kam tame gitu ki brio ki ba angnot ban pen orlong ya ki jingtmu jongki bat kumju ban kente ya kapot katam karwai ka siaw art bat larity
is what we have really been trying to do, which is to really promote different aspects of music, of art, of culture, and for the authors, this literary festival. And we strongly feel that the youth, especially of our state and a region of the Northeast, has a huge bank of talent that they have. And it's just about giving them an opportunity to come together, to showcase their talent, and also give them an opportunity to learn from others and really create that excitement among the different artists and writers and authors. And that's why this particular event is part of the entire vision and goal to really showcase this talent of the youth that we have. And we strongly feel that more of these programs should happen. In the coming months, you'll be happy to know that we will be having an engaging
Habakran hakate kasngi Satoshi Suzuki ulong baka Cherry Blossom Festival kan te song ekipat ba nong song snong jong ka Japan bat India ulapan paru ya ka jingdon kam bandon ki exchange program hapreng jong kini ki ar teli kiri
program could find a time to visit my hometown and witness this famous sakura tree when it is in full bloom. Honorable Chief Minister, now allow me to mention the importance of the northeastern region of India for Japan. The northeast of India has potential to bloom brilliantly like the cherry blossoms here, and its development would have positive ramifications for a wider region. As a matter of fact, the northeast enjoys a strategic location that is key to the realization of free, open, and inclusive Indo-Pacific. This is one of the reasons why Japan attaches great importance to the development of this Northeast. I co-hosted the 5th round of meeting of so-called ACT East Forum together with
with all the colors of the wind. Can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
Mentah kasngi arp santarik unai wing arja arpway Dr. Mukul Sangma ulapan pendapat ba haringkat ki khatway ngot ki MLA Congress hapain wot hotel ban penyaso syaka All India Trimul Congress. Habakran hakate kasngi Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong Kani kajing penyaso jongi khat arngot ki MLA Congress saksa ka All India Trinamool Congress ka long bakin la banyarap na kabanta kajing baha ki pat ba pat ka jilla hi bro ka wei.
Its call of duty as a main opposition party in the country. And therefore, our exercise to find a viable pan-India option to take care of the state, to take care of the region of the Northeast, and to take care of the whole nation in the interest of the nation ultimately culminated into this decision. Fortunately, I came across also with many senior political party leaders from different parties, including my association with many senior leaders in the Indian National Congress helped me to understand the ground reality and exactly what is happening in Indian National Congress. Therefore, we had to look at available friends, strategies. I must also be very frank. In search of these, I also ended up meeting my friend Prasant Kishorji, one of the strategists, whom we all know, who can make a difference and who can be a friend as well. I'm very happy to disclose that when we interacted, I felt that we share the same objective aim, where the interests of the people, interests of the state, and interests of the nation superseded everything else. And how, as people who are in public life, can actually fully, optimally utilize our potentialities in serving the people. Today, I must tell you that in my preceding years, we have not been able to fully or optimally utilize our potentialities in serving the state and serving the people. Let me be very frank and be very honest.
Chief Whip Kalyang Persha uba PT Saukmi ulapen pau kajing benut ka bakraw halor kajing petnot hado khat arngot ki MLA ka Sen Congress ki bakenthum ya prangot na rilom garo bat sawngot na rilom khasi habakran sikilat pathai khubor uba PT Saukmi ulong bakadei ke kajing do ka bakraw bakini ki khat arngot kimi na ka Seng bolakar pat ru yo ki para MLA bakin once no biang sashi sen sa ka Sen Congress
more than 3 years, we have to work together in assembly that we this issue together. But now suddenly have left. But intention about join of the new party, the TMC. But what I have from my side, but humble request to all the 12 MPs, if possible, may consider back and come to the party. Because why I'm saying like that. Like Oli said before, that this incident happened only because that the Indian National Congress High Command from the Delhi, they have not been consulted Dr. Mukul before the Indian National Congress took a decision of appointing Mr. Vincent Pala as a president of the party. But if the High Command or the Indian National Congress was ready, I could have to take Dr. Mukul into confidence. This thing will not happen. Because the main because we knew that Dr. Mukul have been beloved in the party for a long time, but he loved the party very much. But because many times I met with him, when we discussed about the party organization, and in his mind, in his heart, he didn't have no other intention than the Congress, to remain in Congress, strengthen the Congress, and the future of the Congress. But it is very unfortunate that suddenly he took a decision to leave the party. But what I can see from my side, that it is a great loss to all the MLAs, even the party as a whole. But my request to all the 12 MLAs may reconsider back and come to party again. That negotiation will start again. It's necessarily but if you come back and have a discussion, let me settle the matter among the Mukul and the party leader.
Timentangnya Pashwa Shipor Sekini Kijing Penbana. bat bentangin betang biang iki khubor ki badangsa. Kari boy dorbar mentah kesengi ke arpsan terik unai wing arja arpoi kala pelat pat ba ya ke almanak jongsnam arja arpuar ya ke balawan ban pelat da uba Meral Bonds EMU MLE kanongpo constituency. Ubolong ru kumukong san hakajing don lang ringkat uba Charles Marngar UMDC ke Mauhati constituency kum usembut kongsan lambat uba balajit rani UMDC ke Nongpo constituency. Hakajing don ringkat lang Presiden Karib Hoi Dorbar uba RB Shadap lambat kiwe-kiwe ki nongkit kam jong Karib Hoi Dorbar. Pada hakatay ke juk kesengi la pelat ru ya kariti sensar lani ya ka amendment jong Karib Hoi Dorbar da uba Charles Marngar.
Kani kan syatri, kani kan kemi, kamai bensim, kata kani Karib Hoi Dorbar. Isu sarong sih. Ginong song sinong, ginong yalam, kiba kipai ba, kila ibin, ban syat kiba mengkor ka bakia. Isong kumen. Bangila ban associate ila de bandang bentalang. Ban Karib Hoi Dorbar na ka benta ki kam ki babun. Kiba kum ka Dorbar kadai ban trai. Bat ka bapun kumen yang agalo. Magane kani keseng hakaba aktif hari ini across party line. Kamu undang ketinggi sengau, liang ketinggi sengau parti sengau jai pendiri, porok ilang kawe. Liang penar boy wat, dia buat kasih. Ilang tu, apa macam ni? Parti sungkumen. Bah kini kijing persang, jong kini kinong yalam, lalu kipor kipelada aduh mentah. Yang lah aman pentelun. Ia mati terikam juga. Misal komen bagi samla kepada orang ini, kepada bentah bagi Karib Hoi District Sports Association. Kita bul, la pendep dari kamna, na komentar affiliation bagi RBDS.
Nyokuan, ya kan administrative unit. Nang tadi, bagi menda nyoi, bagi Karib Hoi Dorbar. Ya kon nam tak civil subdivision on upgrade ya ko kata kama administrative unit civil subdivision but dia Mauhati yang teru abang idawa ya kasi na abdi blok dari Karib Hoi Dorbar ke Shillong ya gini gitu but glade ban tendo ya chief minister itu Karib Hoi Dorbar kalau formro ika border committee naga bantaban pe iki itu border but ngila prolong meeting do but ngila tho chief minister Muhammad bah kesorkan dan ayam lem ke Karib Hoi Dorbar tu bandar bandar. Jika rule ke bentah jom Karib Hoi Dorbar kalau ke kerau aduk tak kata. Jika wei ke bangga kuat ban keren hani mat keladai ru kupo bang Karib Hoi Dorbar ke aban sim sekiwei pat kisinja. Imam akan saya menai lah keren ba. Kibuan interview kam mau ki kam start ki kamla kita ke menawai. Adon kedau.
Mentah kesengi arpsan terik naiwing arja arpoi Vice Chancellor Kanehu Prabha Shankar Shukla ulah pelat pajba ya ka Endangered Archive Program ha Conference Hall Library Nihu ya ka nik project labeting ka da ka British Library bat ka Melbourne University ka jing temu jong ka nik project ka long ban penek pensa ya ka culture bat ki duler ni ki jing tho ki bal pensong nong rem ya ka jing ja bambenswa ki balong try da ki riu shimet ni ki seng. Yakini jing top balala ban lum la ban bo yaki ha British Library London ha North Eastern Hills University Shillong balai snok ti lang ru da ka Melbourne University Australia ba yakini ki kot la ru ban yo link ba ki online habe kren bod Professor Desmond I Karmau plang ulai thu ba ka ni project ka long ka badan kam hadu kata namar ba bon ki jing top bala rem ki bala sedang ban do jaj kum tala penek pensan kini ki jing tho bala sedang do jaj link ba ka ni project bat ban yo ro bat la ban sam ro iki sha ki patang ki ban nang wan
don punya je kali is ikun ke ba kerja Bharat District but ini lapan ka University of Melbourne, University of Sydney और का Australian National University jadi keren cuma baku berhadir mengalami persyai pengidan bur nuksa kini heritage ki bala ro tadi khantam le ka oral tradition khantam le ka heritage ka bagi sa sang ha tian le kum dasi kum jitu khana kum jitwai kum hawa ki rukom ki jilla niam but ki performances ba hujat the middle I encourage company to who I advise who I jumut boleh kini apply na British Library number idon British Library kadon project kalau design tik na nampak ini bismu idon Rangka pun Professor Andrew May, Professor of Department of History of University of Melbourne. Nampak Professor May, bila with joint application to the British Library, how January as kendai. But hadin sang benai misi yo kata jubah misi yo response dari British Library bahwa dia kena ke application ini kita approve but nampak funding buat nila sedang bertukar but mereka kami
Hakastap Arsan Tarik Unai Wing Kakasi Students Union Nong Cleo Circle kala yok ban ai khublai bat ai buram shakshik mi shikun ki badai nasnong jaot lat artatat than nong Cleo ki balat sa kumba arsaus nam hari bilat gari gijing le ai khublai bat ai buram kerpang shakine ki arngot shikmi shikun kata ikong bi jana bat ukhun ba Simon jana namar bakini ki lom kanuksa ban ai men sempat ki parado parastam khasi bakin omklat ya kariti ka dustur ka ktien ka thlit ki balong ka thammei ban pen em ya ka jat ban rio ka KSU North Cleo Circle ka sngu yo men sembat ka sngu sarang ban yo I bakini ki paradong parathan ki badai ki parado parasnam ki bam sham laklat ya ka ktien ka thlit khamtam ka ktien khasi kariti ka dustur Komisi Bentaru ban kentulam yagi parado parasnam bakim dai ban klat ya kariti kedustur bat kaktien kathliet bat khamtam ba kaktien khasi kan yo ban rong haka krenet ka bapra jong kariti senchar jong kari India
ade ba Simon jana nubula kha London la he la san London tambu ngarang snow khlo dan snow sarong bu kaktien na jong pat pat kliat tang tip ha te na kwa I message ya ti ban umplet katen ride lot long ban kenal ba ya ka distor long kan ada dai kasine ada dai nang way ne ada dai ai ro clear ya ada te gawe ro bar dadan mesial la pa be buan chnong te da chnong pa kwa le phadiang chesial te kenal jenis kenal ikan ya kenal ya kata bayung bar apa senang ikan kenal ikan te
KSU jongka nong Cleo baro ko way bikilawan bani kendo yang ni bat berman airu kene ka kusnam bat kene ka jan khasi paka yang iban sakan mau kenang bingin dingil panan ngin raj London te nga shukwa ban ong tangka way kalong nga de na ponong Cleo tamang sa London mentala arpo south nam tigi kon no bramut kila ka chati te hayang yiki nga kran madak tin kasi ilok ru de na ponong jrong te ilok ru bala sa salam chati la diki life san suppose nam tama hadu menta dang kren mek tinong jrong kaktin na jong juklat ke ngi dan honong noru ya ka rukom long la jong snong ngi ra lang me jadi ngi wan senero ngi ra ba gijing ban ngi ra ba tung bai ki ashar ki jur ki jap pana sene da po sa tir ngi chat bi ma chat chapo snong la jong te kawai ngakwa bangan kentiu bangan kentu bar ye kini khamtam ye kini kena samla ki kena bapule menta de pidon hangno ro phimde bin klet ye ktin jong bar phimde bin klet na kano kusnong bapiwan namar ngi de khasi ki ba kendat pai tingi kwa ban penroi ya la ka jat la jong kanang ba kansa kanam bat ka buram balabu teman mendai ko menchua te kata kalong kajengkran kendiat nanga te ki kon setting ikran bada khasi tang ba yingi pada ikran bada ke English tang ba ki shayang pat ki don ba kata kajeng e chayang ki phone ba malak ta yau ki kran bada tin chnong nak tin Cleo te kawai kalong ba ikinelangon kublesi bon ba te ngina kan mau yepi ban ngina kan mau ye chnong wala gi don hangno ro
Badak itu ki khubor ngila poisa bokot tata do bine sambyang kuble shibon.